All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to hold my breath and try not to breathe so heavy right now. Just had to run back to the coach because camera equipment is never perfect. So battery was dead, of course. So the MV Agusta F4 RR. So I'm getting ready to get on this, and I say, Jerry, how much do you have into this thing? And he says 35. And I'm thinking 3,500 bucks. And he laughs at me and says, you're at a bargain, because these usually go for 70.
Yeah, it tricked out. Yeah, they're about 60. Yeah.
So I don't have much time. I got to get on this thing. So I will tell you. So we're ready to go. Yeah. Did you turn the traction control down on me?
It's not. It doesn't do that. It's right.
He said just ride it. I'm nervous as always to take the Madman spikes out on track, but we only got about 10 minutes. It's all right. All right, so here we go, guys. So we're on a MV Agusta full race bike for our review today. And look, I'll be honest, I'm just here for the ride. I know absolutely nothing about the M4 Agustas. In fact, this is the very first time I've ever been on an MV Agusta. And he says that before the, so he's the same guy that let me ride his Ducatis, which I don't know why he let me do that, but he's letting me do this again. But before the Ducatis, he said this was the fastest bike that he's ever ridden. He's like, oh, it's just got a couple hundred horsepower. Shit. Wow. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. So let's get, I need to get up to speed, get some heat in these slicks. So he's like, yeah, don't worry, on that back straight, you'll shit yourself. Oh my God, you guys. I'm terrified right now. I'm absolutely terrified. If you guys didn't see the video of the spectacular crash that I just filmed, make sure you get onto that. But I'm not even comfortable in this thing. Like, I'm so scared right now. But let's see what I can do. So just enjoy the ride, guys, because I'm not one to wrap up people's stuff, so I apologize, but and of course Jerry doesn't have GP shift on anything. Damn it, Jerry. And here I've been shifting like the MT-09 or the R9T. Let's try to I feel the rear slipping around a little bit when I'm on the accelerator, so, and he's on slicks. Not a big slick guy, but definitely have to use the clutch. I hope you guys are just enjoying this, because if this is the first video you've seen of me ride, please disregard it. I apologize so greatly right now. My major apologies. I probably look like garbage. I'm assuming I'm gonna get yelled at for this next lap, but this will be our final lap. Got out a little bit late today. Nice slipper clutch. As you guys know, I am a late breaker, or an early breaker. Not bad though. I'm getting more comfortable on it. Like, I'm understanding it a little bit better. But let's try to get one good picture. I doubt it. Can't seem to get this corner turned in as I want. And there's my checkered. And there we go, guys. A quick and terrifying session on the MV Agusta, fully tracked out F4RR, carbon wheels, Olean suspension, full Brembo brake setup, the full get up, $35,000 track bike get up. And outside, you You know, I think I was less terrified on this thing than I was the Panigale V4R. But I'll say, like, if you could feel the nerves in my stomach right now. I'm terrified of this thing.
Fast, isn't it? You never even got to 12,000, did you?
I'm sure I did at some point, but
I didn't hear it. You hear me for a while, it'll sound different. Let me put my gear in here. Yeah, go ahead.
I think I was less terrified on that bike than I was on this bike.
Like I said, it's a toss-up. And this bike, it's the same bike from 2010 to 2020.
Yeah.
It's crazy electronics. And
Yeah.
All of them.
All of them up.
Yeah, Balls had one on sale the other day for $6,000 because it was the one that was sent here for emissions.
Yeah.
They had to scratch the VIN and they had to track back over. $5,900.
Yeah. Look, I like my middle of the road bikes, man, but getting on this thing, it was a blast, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I don't know if you saw the teeny wheelie that I pulled.
Yeah.
I think it was like,
It's got wheelie control.
it was nice. Oh, was it on?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I was riding it out, but
It's got a rear wheel lift mitigation system.
oh yeah, I see that on the back.
It'll lift and they'll let go of the brake so it doesn't lift over.
Ah. See, he didn't tell me into this. He's just like, here's the keys. It's running up there.
I've got an F3 built out better than this one. 800.
Can you just buy a stock bike so I can ride it? Anyways.
One like your gal rider.
Yeah. Oh, the F3, right?
F3
Yeah.
800.
She's excited to ride the F3 out of Chuckwalla later this month. We've been invited from the Madman, so we're gonna wrap up this video real quick. But the Madman racing again, the V4R. Been on that. It's just. Sorry guys, I just had to do it, but it's a fun ride. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a like. Just give me a like for getting on it, man. But be gentle in the comments down below. I appreciate the viewership. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.